Your current conditions. The local Doppler radar.
This is the blizzard of 2010, February 6th. Footage here out the back door. It's been snowing since about 9 o'clock last night. And I got this, you can't really see it. Right in here. Stuff going on here. Can't tell what's going on. But, it's probably, I guess, about a foot, but we've got all this blowing and drifting. I think it's colder now than it was earlier today. And I take a risk and aim the camera into the wind here. You can kind of see it's been blowing around and getting on just about everything. And pretty nasty. There was a plow went by Route 3 this morning. It's supposed to, I think there's blizzard warning until 7 tonight. And it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now. Now we got some entrepreneurs out here. This is going to get worse before it gets better. I plan on actually digging out probably tomorrow. Just dug out the driveway earlier this morning. But about that. Gotta go inside. It's the kind of thing you'd rather just watch from inside. That's better. Just blowing everywhere. Haven't had any limbs down yet, except maybe that thing in the front. There's a branch sticking out of the ground. About 6 feet in the air. I don't know what. Have to see what that was all about. Oh, somebody driving by there. Somebody else. Oh, he's moving. It's cold.